Designing a studio apartment requires creative and practical thinking. Here we show you a few ideas how to decorate a studio apartment. This includes layout and space-saving ideas, also plenty of inspiration that will give you the best studio apartment design ideas. Sometimes you're in need of a good dose of color. And today, we will give you a color fix with this lovely Scandinavian studio apartments, where almost every wall is painted in warm beige and soft tone of pink. This 39 square meter apartment is divided into 2 rooms. The big room is used as a combined living room and bedroom. At the back of the apartment lies a separate kitchen. When you move into a studio apartment, you're faced with some challenges. After all, you have to combine all functions into one room. In this Swedish studio apartment, they decided to add a simple but effective way of separating the living and sleeping area. A large rug defines the living space, while the bed is placed on the other side against the wall. This second apartment is 35 square meters studio, decorated in vintage style and pink, has a real personality and is a place where you should feel good. There is a beautiful herringbone parquet floor, the original kitchen furniture and cast iron elements, as well as marble window sills. It has a unique atmosphere, that of a soft cocoon in the city, where old furniture and secondhand finds have found their natural place. It may seem like a rather feminine flat, but who says that a couple or a man wouldn't feel comfortable here? The balcony and its view on a quiet area of the city add to the charm of this 35 square meters flat decorated like no other. Colors bring joy to our lives, and bringing them into our homes is a pleasant way to integrate them into our daily lives. Choosing pale pastel pink for a studio is what was done here, with the addition of green, which always matches this warm and soft color perfectly. The moldings in original doors and windows have been preserved from its almost century-old past, giving it a charm that is rarely found in more recent housing. The high ceilings are also a feature of these old buildings, and even in a small flat, offer a feeling of increased volume. The through orientation allows natural light to flood the flat throughout the day. The pastel pink for this studio, combined with the green of the kitchen and bathroom, gives it a warm atmosphere, and makes it a reassuring little urban cocoon. This is a rather original choice, even if pastel pink is a color that is found more and more often, as it is not always easy to free oneself from complete white, and it is very successful here. At the end, who would say that living in a small studio apartment doesn't mean you can't have a beautiful and functional home?